along to this video where we are going to give you a quick preview of the Property Investor Show. The autumn edition is taking place at London ExCel on the 7th and 8th of October, and I am very much looking forward to attending myself. I've always find it a really valuable day out. It's the gathering of the landlord tribes. And joining me to give his view on the show is NRLA CEO Ben Beadle. Ben, you're a regular visitor to the show, a regular speaker and panelist. Why do you keep going back?
Yeah, good question. I mean, it's the who's who of the sort of property world. Some great exhibitors. It's great to mingle with members and fellow landlords alike. But it's a really great place, I find, Vanessa, to get sort of the latest information from some real quality partners. And I'm pleased to be doing a couple of sessions on the 7th, talking about rental reform. And for those of you that are looking for up-to-date information or a particular supplier, you've got the pick of the bunch there.
Well, I think it's just wonderful that people can come and meet, industry stakeholders like yourself, Ben. You're there, you're mixing with everybody. This is a chance for people to get out, as you said, and talk to everybody about our sector, and there is so much going on. It's sometimes hard to keep up, and these shows can very often be a place where you can just get a kind of massive download of everything that you need to know about our sector and take that forward.
Yeah, and they say every day is a school day, right? And I think this is no exception. You may have been in the business for a long time, but there's plenty of things that are changing in our sector, and this is a really good place to assess all of that change and to talk to the people that are kind of at the front of it. And so not only will you have sort of access to some great seminars, etc., but you'll have the pick of the bunch, as I say, when it comes to suppliers and different options and investment options and things like that. So it's a good day out.
It is, and just to tell everybody, you've got many things you can do at the show. As Ben mentioned, there's the educational seminars and panel debates. There's the exhibition where you can meet with partners, and very often if you've got a landlord problem, you can find a solution at the show. There's everything from tax to finance, and covering different aspects of being a landlord, whether it be HMO, single occupancy, holiday lets, student lets. It's all there. It's a massive smorgasbord of landlord intel, which everybody can dive into. So Ben and I are very much looking forward to being there 7th and 8th of October, London ExCel, and it's free tickets, Ben. So if it's free to attend, why wouldn't you just go and get that information that's freely available?
No, exactly. I would encourage every landlord to sign up and wander along to ExCel. It's a great venue, lots to see and do, and you can have a look at the river while you're there. It's glorious. So I'll see you there.
Thank you, Ben. We will see you there, and you can find a link to the free tickets on this video, on the video card or below in the comments, and we'll see you there. Thank you for watching.